Hello everyone, this is the cup and handle chart pattern. The cup and handle, as the name indicates, its structure is like cup, which is rounded bottom and is followed by the handle, as I have labeled below. The cup and handle is a bullish reversal pattern, and the interpretation for is that we have to wait for the breakout and then we have to take entry. The target for the cup and handle pattern would be the length of the cup to the neckline. We have to take the length from here towards the neckline. This is the neckline. Upon breaking the neckline, we have to take entry. Let's measure our target. Approximately it's 224%. So in case this is the handle and the neckline gets break, we have to take entry over here and our target would be 224% to the upside. This would be our target. This would be our target. So this is the cup and handle pattern structure. Now let's go to the chart and find real life example. This is the Cardano and Bitcoin chart. This is a cryptocurrency altcoin chart. Let's go and find a cup and handle pattern. As you can see clearly here, this is an uptrend. This is the structure of cup and this is the handle. Upon breaking the neckline, the price will move towards the upside. Let's do this. This is the cup. This is the handle. And this would be our neckline. This one. Upon breaking this neckline, we have to take our entry. Let's measure our target for the upside. We have to take the price length tool. This is the cup. Up to the neckline, it's approximately 38%. As you can see clearly over here, after the breakout of the neckline, the price rallied upwards, and this would be our and this would be our target. Absolutely phenomenal. The price hit its target. So cup and handle is very strong bullish pattern. You have to observe this on higher time frame charts such as 4-hour, daily, the 2-hour and the 1-hour. Avoid using the intraday charts. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you have learned the cup and handle chart pattern. It's very simple. Thank you. Let's move on to our next lecture.